Okay, so as soon as you guys get done sanding your fender flare part that you're doing, you're gonna get something kind of like this. You're gonna get that matte, kind of looks scratched. After this step here, once I get done sanding, I usually wipe it down with like some isopropyl alcohol. Now that we got the flares sanded, we can get to laying down our primer. I just used this Simple Color Engine Enamel primer. This is the best primer I think I've ever used. Right to painting. Okay, so we got 2 light coats and then 1 heavy coat. It's just the primer. This is what we should get into. No fine scratches. You can see you've got complete coverage. But these are going to be the front flares that are going to go on the Fusion over there. The last set that I had kind of rubbed off from the thicker tires. Now that the primer is dry, we can take our paint matched paint. I got ruby red on my car, so that's what we're going to hit it with. Alright, so once you guys get done applying the base coat, this is kind of what you're going to get. I don't know if it's the material that I'm working with, but these ones didn't come out as clean as my rear ones for some reason. I don't know if it's just the material or if the paint sat too long. I can see a bunch of fine scratches in this one, so I might have to polish and buff those out. Apply the clear, and then we can slap them on the car. Now that the flares are all painted with the base coat and dry to the touch, I like to apply this 1K clear. This clear is amazing. So as you guys can see from the last clip to now, I kind of forgot to record the installation process. Here is what the painted fender flares look like on the front. The paint matched pretty freaking perfect. You can see the pearlescent shine from different angles, but overall came out pretty clean. Pretty much do it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll have a video coming out next week too. We're going up to Automotion for the weekend in the Wisconsin Dells, so stay tuned. There'll be some fire content coming out. Thanks guys, peace.